Hello, welcome to the Functions and Slope Cheat Sheet B video lesson. We're going to start in the top left box at functions. Functions is a relationship in which each input has exactly one output. So one x value equals one y value. In order to check to see if it is a function, you need to make sure if you are given an ordered pair, you are checking to make sure that there is only one x value. X cannot repeat. Y can repeat all at once. It could be the exact same number. But the x value can only be listed one time in order for that ordered pairs or the set of ordered pairs to be a function. The same is true with mappings. Over here, this is an example of a mapping. The left bubble, always make sure that it is marked with your x. Those numbers need to be different. X cannot repeat, like 6 can only be once, 7 and 8. If it is repeated or if it has two arrows coming off of it, it is not a function. When you are given a graph, here is an example of a graph that is a function. If you were to draw one vertical line, it is only going to hit one time in order to be a function. If you draw a vertical line and it hits two times, so it hits once here and once here. If it hits two or more times, no, it is not a function. And so here are some visuals that match the verbal descriptions in your functions box. So that covers, is it a function and functions? Let's go on down to the bottom of your notes and let's take a look at slope and finding slope. So slope is also called rate of change, unit rate, direct variation if it's proportional. If it is a positive slope, then that means that it is going to increase left to right. And I'm going to try to draw right here. It's going to be increasing left to right. If it's negative, it is going to be decreasing left to right. If it is a zero slope, it is a horizontal line, a flat, completely flat line. And if it is a undefined slope, you are going to have a vertical line up and down. Now, if you need to find slope and you are given either a table or an ordered pair, please remember to use this formula, y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. It's also called rise over run if you were given a triangle. When two triangles are similar, they are going to have the same slope. These are also considered similar triangles. They are the same shape, but different sizes. If you have a graph, you are going to pick 2 points on your graph, and you are going to find the rise over the run. Please pay attention to how your unit boxes are being counted. We've already discussed what to do with the table. We've already discussed what to do with an ordered pair. I know this is a quick, like 3 to 5 minute video, but that's all you need to do to find slope. Please continue with the notes work in Schoology. After you get 100% on the notes work in Schoology, I need you to please start the functions and slope activity, and it is the pink cards. That's your lesson, short and sweet. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.